What's up, campers? Ranger Ethan here, along with
Ranger Paul. Aaron.
Today we're going to be making toilet roll binoculars. Now, if you don't have enough toilet paper rolls to make a pair of binoculars, or maybe you want to make a telescope and you don't have enough toilet paper rolls to do that, that's fine, because today we're going to be making these toilet paper roll binoculars, telescopes, using construction paper. You really can use any kind of paper to make this craft. We're going to use this construction paper. Obviously, the easiest way to do it is by using a roll of toilet paper, or if you want to make a telescope and using something really, really long, you can use a roll of paper towel. Paper towel roll, sorry. Don't use the whole roll, that'd be a waste. Let's get to it. All right, so to make the binocular, it's actually pretty easy. What you're gonna do, you're gonna take a piece of paper, if you're using paper, take a piece of paper, fold it in half, and either carefully cut it along the crease, or if you're skilled enough, there's a way to make a nice, clean tear. What I usually do to make a nice, clean tear if I don't have scissors is I really, really make sure my crease is nice and sharp by using my nails.
Yes.
And then I open my paper like this, really slowly and carefully. I start the tear by just using my fingers, and then I put the paper down and use my whole hand just to kind of make the tear. I use my finger to guide the tear along. Voila. Oh man, there's someone a little snippy. Okay, anyways. So if you're making binoculars, this is what you're gonna start with. Now here's where it gets cool, where you guys can come up and create your own designs. You can go really simple with your binoculars. Take your half sheet of paper, fold it just a tiny bit, don't make the full crease. Make a little tiny halfway fold to mark where halfway is, okay? And then, you'll do the same thing to the other side. So you'll fold it halfway, find where the crease is, make the crease there, okay? And then from there, and then this is the easiest way to make these binoculars without toilet paper rolls, you just take your paper and you fold it in like this into the curve. So here, I'll show you. Here's my crease right here, my paper, and fold it right into the crease. And then once it's there, I can tape it. So I would take this tape and take the tape, fold it all the way into the crease, curl it in, sorry, and then put my tape right where I want the first set of my binocular lenses to stop that, okay? You guys can see, I have one side of my binocular. The other sides do the same exact thing. Now, since you can't necessarily tape it directly to that side, all right, since already one side's taped, and once two sides are folded in together, it's going to be kind of complicated to have to tape the other one on the inside. What you can do is you fold the other side in, roll the other side in. So we roll the other side in, and put a piece of tape, put a piece of tape right there on the top. And those are really simple, small binoculars, all right? Oh, no. All right, guys, and just like Ranger Paul, I have also made a telescope. I'll walk it up. It goes just like this.
Mine's just like this. 4 separate sections.
Now, in order for our telescopes,
If you have 3 eyes, make this one.
if you're from Monsters Inc.
If you're from Monsters Inc.
What do you think, guys? We should make like an eye patch. Why not? Because we're like the pirates with telescopes.
Oh yeah.
Let's do it.
That's not how it goes, Paul.
Pretty sure it is.
No.
This thing's amazing. I can see all the way across the street. Wait, what? Oh,
Is this right?
Aye,
Aye.
aye, matey.
Aye.
So it is.
Nice.
Oh look, I'm looking into his ear, lads, and I don't see anything. I can see clear through to the other side.
What's a pirate's favorite letter of the alphabet?
Arr.
R. No, C.
C. I laddie. Can you see me eyeball, laddie? Alright, let's close this thing out. Yep.
All right, campers. Thanks for joining us for today's craft. Ranger Pirate Ethan out.